Good morning, I'm Faye Thompson. This morning we're going to do a beef roast. This is certified Angus beef and it's about a 3-pound beef roast. And I'm going to sear this on top of the stove. We're going to cook it in a pressure cooker, and a lot of times they sear them in the cooker, but I kind of like to do mine on top of the stove. So we're going to put about 3 tablespoons of shortening to start glazing this roast. What I like to do is brown this roast on both sides and then brown it on the edges too. I like to do that. My daughter's coming over and having lunch with me today. She's a state representative and they're in session right now, so I don't see her a lot. I think that's ready to put this in. Now what we're going to do is just brown that good. We have seared our beef now on both sides and also around the edges, and it's ready to put in the pressure cooker. Now I don't want all of that grease in there, and I'm going to pour a little bit of it out. And then we got to have 2 cups of warm water, and I'm going to put that in there, and that will see, it'll get some of that drippings out of that beef into the water. Okay, now we're going to pour that over in there. Anytime you use this cooker, you have to have a cup or 2 of water because of the pressure. A package of Lipton Onion Soup. And this is what makes it good. This is a Campbell's Beefy mushroom, and that has the best flavor to it. That's what added to this, changed my way of cooking this roast. So we're going to put this in the cooker, and we're going to cook this for 1 hour. And then we're going to take the steam out of it, and we're going to put vegetables like potatoes and onions and carrots in it. We're ready now to let the steam out of the cooker. We're ready to put our vegetables in. It's already real tender. I've already cut up the potatoes, and we're going to put potatoes, and we're going to put some onion. We kind of roughly cut the onions that goes in it. Don't have to be careful. And then I have some carrots. We kind of cut them up in bite-sized pieces. So what we're going to do now is put the lid back on this cooker. We're cooking it for another 30 minutes. Well, our roast is ready now, so I'm fixing to take it out of the cooker. See how it comes all apart. It looks real good. I think it's going to be fine. Our roast is finished now, and I hope you try it sometime and enjoy it as much as my family does. And I hope you visit with us on another video.